Hey guys, so I'm going to jump right into today's video. I'm going to start off by adding some water to this wig just to see what the curl pattern looks like. Now this is a curly lace front wig from WowAfrican. I wanted to test out the curl pattern on this wig on a mannequin head instead because I wanted you guys to be able to get a full 360 view of the curl pattern on this wig. Now I did use my dimming brush with only water at the beginning, and the curls or the waves in this hair really wasn't doing too much. I would not say this wig is curly. I would say it's more so like a water wave. But I will say once I added product to this hair, the waves became more defined. So I'll just continue adding the curl scrunching gel on this wig, and I'll follow up with the Garnier Fructis hair curling spray. Of course, everything that I'm using in this video, I will have it in the description bar. I'm just going to continue applying the product and brushing through the hair, and then using a towel to scrunch the hair to help the waves become a little bit more defined. Now that I have the wig on, I'm going to check out the hairline and check out the parting space. Now this is more so like a free parting space wig. You do get about 4 to 5 inches of lace, but keep in mind that if you part your hair down the middle, you definitely get 5 inches of lace, which is a lot of lace. But if you part your hair on the side, maybe where your ear is, you're going to get about 4 to 3 inches of lace, which is a lot more than most wigs that you would normally get. So I do need to re-wet the hair again because I did go in and re-pluck the hairline. Now this is supposed to be a pre-plucked wig, but I did feel the need to go in and pluck a little bit more. Now, you know, when it comes to a pre-plucked hairline, it's really like to each his own. You can definitely go with the hairline that originally comes with the wig, or you can go in and tweak the hairline a little bit more to your liking. So because I already have product in this hair before I put this wig on, I don't need to add any more product to this hair. I'm just only going to add water. Alright, so this is pretty much what the hair looks like when the hair is still wet. Like I said, it's not really like a curly texture, like a coily curly texture. It's more so like a loose wave or like a loose curly hair texture. And this is pretty much what the hair looks like once it is completely dry. Because this hair is not really that full, I did have to go in and use a wide tooth comb and kind of fluff up the hair to get it to look a little bit more bigger. By the way, if you are interested in purchasing this wig and you want to save yourself a little bit of money, definitely make sure you check out that description bar because there will be a coupon code in there for you to use and save $15 off of your order.